terrorist group. Back in this country, a huge win for privacy advocates tonight. The Supreme Court says police cannot search your cell phone without a warrant, even during an arrest. Correspondent Shannon Bream is at the Supreme Court tonight.
In a sweeping unanimous opinion, the Supreme Court made clear if law enforcement officers want to search your cell phone, they can't without a warrant. The decision stems from two cases in which suspects whose cell phones were seized at the time of or after their arrests tried to have evidence connected to their devices thrown out. During arguments in April, many of the justices noted that today's phones can be a portal to an individual's most private information, from financial to medical. With the Fourth Amendment's protection against unreasonable searches and seizures as the bedrock principle, Chief Justice John Roberts said, quote, "The fact that technology now allows an individual to carry such information in his hand does not make the information any less worthy of the protection for which the founders fought." Our answer to the question of what police must do before searching a cell phone seized incident to an arrest is accordingly simple: get a warrant.
The types of information that people used to store in a trunk locked in their homes, papers, correspondence, pictures. Now we carry those around in our pockets with us every day on a smartphone that has enormous capacity to store very private information.
In both of the original cases that sparked today's ruling, law enforcement officers used information gathered from the suspect's cell phones to score convictions. Moving forward, the rules will change. William Johnson, executive director of the National Association of Police Organizations, says the decision isn't unexpected, but, quote, "It will certainly make it more difficult for police officers and detectives to discover, secure, and preserve evidence. It represents an additional and significant hurdle for law enforcement officials." Something Roberts acknowledged, quote, "We cannot deny that our decision today will have an impact on the ability of law enforcement to combat crime. Cell phones have become important tools in facilitating coordination and communication among members of criminal enterprises and can provide valuable, incriminating information about dangerous criminals," adding, "Privacy comes at a cost." The court's term is set to wrap up on Monday with 4 key cases still outstanding on issues from religious freedom to the president's use of executive power. The next round of opinions is due tomorrow morning on Thursday, 10 a.m. Eastern. Bret.
And we'll watch them. Shannon Bream at the U.S. Supreme Court. Shannon, thanks.